Alright, so if you're tuning in, you're following this channel. This is the playlist called Unboxing Alaska. This is the third package. I remember specifically this one. I had put it in this initial envelope. It's just a mailing envelope. They wanted $84 to ship this rock. I'm like, oh, no, 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 no. So we put it inside the padded envelope and we shipped it home for 14. So I know exactly what it is. And I'll leave the mystery reveal just for another second. I shipped this from Seward, Alaska. So let's see what's inside. I know what it is, but I'm excited for you to see it. All right, it's just a big gray rock. I thought I saw a hint of green in there. So we're hoping once we pressure wash this, and let's get it wet, see what it really looks like. All right, this is 13 pounds, 8 ounces. I thought I had saw some red stuff in here. I was hoping it was some kind of garnet or something, but I don't know. It's probably not gonna do much, but it was worth a shot, because when am I gonna be in Alaska? They can't all be home runs. But there you have it, some kind of basalty looking thing. A little bit of green. I was hoping it was some kind of serpentine, or obviously it's not jade because they just don't have it there in Seward. But there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great content, and keep following along on Unboxing Alaska.